Hi, my name is Blake with Designer Stone Panels, and I'm here to answer the question, can our product be shipped? The answer is yes, a resounding yes, and here's the reason. I want to show you that with our technology and cutting the stone thin, of course, this product's got some flex and it's lightweight. So we're simply going to come over here and I'm going to show you. If you had to take this as a traditional 2cm slab, this is going to weigh about 600 to 800 pounds. If you're living down in California, how are we going to ship that down there? Good luck. Again, with our technology and lightweight strength, guess what? This is just going into a crate. Stone's going to be facing up when you receive it. You got a guy on each end that are going to pull this out. It only weighs 130 pounds. It's going to be nothing, right? So, again, very cool. You can get this shipped anywhere in North America, actually anywhere in the world. And we have a crate that we're going to put it into. When you receive it, trust me, this is going to come out of the box. It's going to be great for your project. We can do this and cut the size. Whatever your project is, we're going to be able to ship it. End of subject. Call us at designerstonepanels.com.